Hi, I am Alex.
Hi, I am Emma.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Let's eat at this restaurant.
That's a great idea.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, it does.
Let's go inside.
Sure.
I'm excited.
Me too.
Welcome! Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening. Please come in. Thank you very much. Please follow me.
Thank you.
This place is beautiful.
I like it.
Here is your table. Perfect. Please have a seat. Thank you.
This table is nice.
Yes, it is. I'll bring the menu.
Thank you.
Here are your menus. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Let's look at the menu.
Good idea.
There are many choices.
Everything looks delicious.
I like burgers.
I like pizza.
What will you order?
I'm still thinking.
The chicken burger looks good.
The cheese pizza looks tasty.
What do you want?
I want the cheese pizza.
Great choice.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Yes, sir? We are ready to order. Great, please come here. What would you like? I would like a chicken burger.
I would like a cheese pizza.
Excellent choice. Thank you. You're welcome. What would you like to drink? Orange juice, please.
Apple juice, please.
Anything else? No, thank you. I'll be right back.
I'm excited.
Me too.
I'm very hungry.
The food will be here soon.
I hope so.
Just wait a little. Here is your order. Thank you.
It looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This burger is delicious.
This pizza is amazing.
I really like it.
Me too.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. The juice is fresh.
Yes, it is.
I like this restaurant.
So do I.
The food is wonderful.
I agree. I'm full.
Me too.
Everything was delicious.
I really enjoyed it.
Shall we ask for the bill?
Yes, let's do that.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir?
May I have the bill, please?
Certainly.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your bill. Thank you.
Let me see.
The price is fair.
Yes, it is.
Take your time. Here is my card. Thank you. Your payment is complete.
Great.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
That was delicious.
I enjoyed everything.
The service was excellent.
Yes, it was. Okay.
Let's go.
Thank you for your service. You're welcome.
Everything was wonderful.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Have a nice day.
I had a great time.
Me too.
We will come again here.
That's a good idea.
Today was fun.
Yes, it was.
See you soon.
See you.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. You too.